Hi there, students. To call into question. You could also probably say to call into doubt. Okay, this is a piece of news, a fact, a statistic, a facet that makes people begin to view something with doubt. This fact puts something in question. If something is in question, we are uncertain about it. So the company's recent losses call into question the abilities of the managing director. So the fact that the company's losing money makes people think, well, maybe the managing director's actually not very good. So the losses make us begin to doubt his abilities. The elementary mistakes he makes in English seriously call into question his suitability as a teacher. So notice the call means bring to the forefront, bring to view, and into question, make people ask questions about it. Recent deaths have called into question the safety of this drug. So some people have died, and now we are wondering, is this drug actually safe? New evidence in the case calls his guilt into question. Calls into question his guilt. So notice you can either say calls his guilt into question or calls into question his guilt. So the object can go either there, what is being called into question. The recent accident calls our safety protocols into question. Calls into question our safety protocols. So you can use it either. His lack of a job calls into question his ability to pay back the money he owes. Lockdown has called into question, or will call into question, the viability of many small companies. And maybe many of them will go bankrupt. So to call into question, to raise questions about, to make people start to doubt something. Okay? So now, next question. To call into question, what about formality? I think I would probably give this phrase, this idiom, a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but makes us wonder about. I think call into question is very good for a semi-formal writing, and I'm pretty sure you could use to call into question as well in a very formal document. This evidence calls into question the validity of our basic assumptions. That sounds like something really good in a very formal text. So, to call into question, to make people ask questions about. And remember, call is a regular verb. Okay? So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.